Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the topic absolute value. For example 25b, we have to refer to the definition. Based on the statement 36c, the modulus of x greater than equals to a will be defined as x greater equals to a or x less than equals to negative a. So based on the situation, our problem will be x over 5 plus x greater equals to 2 or x over 5 plus x less than equals to negative 2. So in here we have two inequalities. Let's focus on the left hand side. So first I'm going to transfer the 2 from the right to the left so that the right hand side equals to 0. So x over 5 plus x minus 2 greater and equals to 0. Next, I'm going to equate the denominator by multiply with 5 plus x. Next, I'm going to combine them, or I can say expand. So we will have x minus 2 bracket 5 plus x over 5 plus x. Next, I'm going to expand and then simplify. So we will have x minus 10 minus 2x over 5 plus x. Finally, we will have negative x, negative 10 over 5 plus x greater equals to 0. Since this is the simplest form, so it's the correct moment to identify the sign. So in this case, we will have a positive sign. Next is to split. So do remember, we have to assume always positive. So we will have greater and equals to 0, but only greater than 0 for 5 plus x because it is a denominator. So finally, x will be less than equals to negative 10 and x will be greater than negative 5. So now I'm going to illustrate the situation in a number line. Then I'm going to locate the number negative 10 for the left and negative 5 for the right. So we have then circle x is less than equals to negative 10. Another level, x is greater than negative 5. Since this is a positive real number line, so we will have a negative, 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 and negative for the empty space. Next, we are going to multiply the sign. And finally, we will have negative, positive, and negative. Next, what we're going to do is to identify the region or the range by referring to the sign. So the question asks us to locate the positive part. So here will be the answer. So finally, our answer will be start from negative 10 until negative 5, where 5 is not included. Now I'm going to focus on the right hand side. I'm going to repeat the step. First, I'm going to transfer the negative 2 from the right to the left. Then at the same time, I'm going to equate the denominator. So x plus 2 bracket 5 plus x over 5 plus x less than equals to 0. Then I'm going to expand. So x plus 10 plus 2x over 5 plus x less than equals to 0. Next, I'm going to simplify the situation. So 3x plus 10 over 5 plus x. So this will be the simplest form. So now, it is a moment or the time to identify the sign. So in this case, we are having a negative sign. Next, we are going to split the situation where we have 3x plus 10, 5 plus x. So we have to assume it is always positive. So greater and equals to 0, but only greater than 0 for 5 plus x, because it is a denominator and you cannot equate with 0 because it will become undefined. So finally, x will be greater equals to negative 10 over 3 and x will be greater than negative 5. Next, I'm going to illustrate the situation in a number line. Then I'm going to locate the value. So where we will have negative 5 on the left, followed by negative 10 over 3 on the right. So x will be greater than negative 5. X will be greater and equals to negative 10 over 3. Then we are going to fill up with a negative sign in the empty space because it is a positive real number line. So finally, multiply the sign and we will have a positive followed by negative, finally positive. So now we have to determine the region or the area based on the sign given. So we have to select the negative part. So this will be the answer. So finally, our answer will be negative 5 until negative 10 over 3, where negative 5 is not included. So next, we are going to combine these two intervals. We are going to illustrate both intervals in the number line and then based on the definition given in the questions. So now I'm going to locate the value. Start with negative 10, followed by negative 5. Finally, we have negative 10 over 3. So first, look at the left hand side. So we have negative 10 included and negative 5 is not included. Kindly connect the point with the line. Next, we're going to illustrate the second situation, which is on the right. Do remember, in a different level. So again, we have empty circle for negative 5 and then circle for negative 10 over 3. Again, connect the point with a line. So based on the definition or, meaning that everything that the line passed through, that will be the answer. So we are going to shade the region because of the definition or. So here will be the answer, but not included the negative 5. So finally, our answer will be start from negative 10 until negative 5, where negative 5 is not included, union, negative 5 is not included until negative 10 over 3. So here we are, and thanks for watching.